155. Give us a laughy 155. Fair enough. Thanks, mate.
You're alright. That's alright. That's alright. You're ahead of your trouble.
Oh well, the software I use is an iPhone 4, man. iPhone 4 with high definition recording. And the gate is rolling right now.
See if I can go bust a loose there, man. Hey, 01, come in here and see if I can go bust a loose. Oh, Mr. World Class 01, you're a squiddy. See, 01, can you tell me all about it? Come here.
I'll tell you all about it, man. You just key out like that and take them all out of the picture. It's like a bowling ball, man. They're like the pins and you're like the bowling ball. You smack them left, right and centre, man. I think we just had a big blowing strike. Oh, Super Squid in the city, 01 said, come on.
Yeah, Roger, I wasn't too sure if the other boys out knew you wrong. I just wanted to bump it down and see what was going on. And see if I can put my duck like a little bitty station online, no doubt about it. Hey, 01, it's nothing but a Yasu station down here in the cotton picking sunny side. Oh, Mr. Worldwide 01, me and my Yasu station's getting on down right there.
Yeah, right there, right there. 10 plus, 10 plus. And that's on a lazy meter, man. Doing your thing. No doubt about it. I just let this game roll, man. I'm going to let it roll for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to let this one roll for about 5 minutes, and I'm about 2 minutes into it. So it's just going to roll for another 3. I'm going to put up there on YouTube for the whole people to see. Hey, see a squid, 01. Just going to go and grab myself a drink and let this thing roll. Ooh, big bad squid. 01. Going to get myself a Bundy. I'll see ya.
Right on, man. I'll see if our fireman wants to get in it, man. I'll just go back on the side and see if he wants to jump in the radio too there. That fireman, you out there go sloppy, come bump it down there, mate. 750, press the trigger there, mate. No doubt about it. Oh, Squiddy boy, I want some squeals on me. I want some duck pop and scratching on my butt. Oh, Squiddy boy, downtown, beautiful sunny side love. And they call me Squiddy in the city, and I'm getting right back. There you go there, man. I think you're still going to roll up there. Still going to roll up there. Just press the button there, fireman. Just key it up, man. Just key it up. Just drop the hammer on me head, man. It don't matter. It doesn't hurt. It's no great deal, man. Worldwide Squiddy in the city. World-class station. Back quiet.
I'll take it out of here, so I'll catch you all right. I'll be back later on when I got my ball. 750. All you boys have a good one. Bye, man.
Check. No, there, fireman. You have a good one now.
Hey, 726. I think it was 726 coming in now. Clear on that, mud runner, but.
I'm going to back it out of here, Super Squid. Bye. Bye, 155. Bye, 01.
Bye, fireman. Bye, fireman. I got you on the video gate. Bye, fireman. 01 with the Bundy in hand. Gone.
Clear. 01, fireman.
Clear that mud runner. Clear that mud runner.
3 minutes, 55, 4 minutes, 1 minute to go.
Muddy little mud runner too.
He's just a muddy little mud. Hey, 155, just a muddy little mud. Super Squid said he's just a muddy little mud. I'm going now. Boom.
Well, asked me to call you a muddy little mud runner.
He just got his I'm not ashamed of it too, man. I'm only telling him the truth there. At 155, I'm only telling him the truth. I'll see you back.
Hey, Squid, what do you want to say on this video gate before I cut it loose? I'll see ya.
There, mate.
But I think he's trying to talk to 016 there, mate. I just want to call 016 a muddy little mutt and tell him I've got my purple pants pulled down there, mate, and I'm squirting in his face right now.